What's up, guys? So it's the coldest day in Joburg today. It is freezing cold. So I thought I'll do a boxing workout. So what I'm going to do is show you a quick workout you can do just to get your heart rate up, get moving. And if you don't have a heavy bag, you can just do shadow boxing. So you can just listen to what I'm telling you and just shadow box. You don't have to have a heavy bag. But if you're comfortable enough and if you do have a heavy bag, then you can follow along and I'll show you what to do. The first thing you want to do, get yourself a boxing timer app. You can find one on the Play Store for free. We're going to do 6 rounds, so it's very light. 1 minute rounds, 20 seconds rest. So we're just going to do 6 light rounds. We're going to change up the combinations every minute. We're going to rest, change it up, rest, change it up. So it's very light, but it can get you moving, get your heart rate up, and you're going to feel good while doing it. So before we start, if you are right-handed or left-handed, depends on which hand you are, depends on your stance. So if you're right-handed, your left foot comes forward and your left hand becomes the jab hand, right hand is cross. If you are southpaw like me, left-handed, your right foot comes forward, your jab hand is your right hand, and your cross is your left hand. So we're going to start. The first combination is jab cross for that full minute. Okay, end of round 1. We're going to put our gloves on, do the same combination but with weighted gloves. So if you don't have gloves or heavy bag, you can just do shadow boxing. If you have gloves, these are 16-ounce gloves, so they're a little bit heavier than usual. But whatever you have, just follow along. If you've got no bag or no gloves, just shadow box, jab, cross. Okay, there's 2 rounds done. The next thing we're going to do is a 3-punch combination. Jab, cross, hook. So mine is going to be a right hook because I'm southpaw. The majority of people is going to be a left hook. So it's jab, jab, cross, hook. The speed you go is entirely up to you. If your bag is swinging like mine and you need to get reset, take your time. If you feel like you want to go faster or quicker, you can. It's entirely up to you. go jab, jab, cross. Just remember, if you are southpaw, left-handed, you're going to be using my stance. If you're right-handed, your left foot is going to be here, and your jab is going to be your left. So if anything is confusing, just swap it around. Okay, this next round, we're gonna do hooks. So we're gonna go left hook, right hook. That's one combination. Remember, when you hook, turn from your hips, and as you twist your leg, rotate your heel, because you're gonna be standing on the ball of a foot. So rotate your heel, rotate your hip, and cock it almost as you hook into it. Keep it nice and tight next to your body. You wanna curve around. You don't wanna be curving far out. You wanna keep it close to your body. Twist, cock, smack, both sides. Breathing is also very important. Remember to breathe out on your punch. Otherwise, you're holding back on your punches. You're not breathing correctly and you lose a lot of power. So I see a lot of people punching and they hold their breath for the whole set, and then they start feeling fatigued and they feel lightheaded. Remember to exhale on your punch. Gives you a lot of energy and you're able to suck that air back. Remember, the speed is up to you. If you want to go slowly, you can go really slow. If you're losing your balance, you're not used to boxing, you can punch, reset yourself, punch. It's entirely up to you and what you're capable of. This next set, we're just going to throw crosses. So we're just going to come across. You're not going to use your jab hand. If you are right-handed, your left is going to stay up. You're just going to throw crosses. If you're southpaw, your right is going to stay close to your face and you're going to just throw crosses. Now as you're throwing, you also want to twist your back foot. You want to twist and throw. You don't want to be standing straight along with the bag and just throw. It's going to feel very awkward. You want to keep your stance. Go 90 to the bag. You don't want to be facing the bag directly on. Twist your body and you're going to twist into it and throw that cross. Remember to snap it. Bring it back as quick as you can. Also be careful not to throw too hard if you have weak wrists, because your wrist can very easily bend. So I've got a video on how to do hand wraps. Protect your wrist, protect your knuckles, and when you're throwing, make sure to keep your wrist nice and firm, because you don't want that. Otherwise you're going to be injured for a very long time. Okay, last round. We're going to go all out. We're going to go jab, cross, hook, hook. We haven't done any uppercuts. So what I'm going to do is maybe throw a few in there. I've made a few mistakes while doing this. I've just lost what I'm doing and then gone and done some extra punches. So this one we're just going to do a freestyle, but we're going to follow jab, cross, hook, hook. If we have time, we'll do a few uppercuts. To a normal heavy bag, you can't really do uppercuts because you can't really get underneath. But this bag is an uppercut bag where you can really get under there and get those uppercuts. So we'll give it a try. Oh, and there we go. 6 rounds, easy combinations. If you do this a few times a week, you'll start getting fitter. You'll feel your shoulders will ease up. You won't have tight shoulders, your back will loosen up, and you'll start getting a little bit more fit. I'm getting out of breath because of this colder weather today, and maybe because I'm a bit unfit. But yeah, next thing I want to do is a tutorial of how to throw your punches, how to stand correctly, twist into the punch, twist and cock properly. So I'll see you guys next time, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys soon.